Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Lewis, and I am coming to you to provide you some instructions for choosing your sixth grade electives in your PowerSchool account. Normally, upcoming sixth graders will choose this on paper pencil. However, since we are doing things more electronically now and we currently use PowerSchool, I'm just going to have you make your choices in your actual PowerSchool account, and then I will receive that information. So let's begin. First thing I need you to do is to log into your PowerSchool student account, including your username and password. When your home screen pops up, you'll see this script on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side in the middle, you will also see probably your classes you're currently taking and your grades in each of those. You are going to come down to the list on the left-hand side and click on the chair with the pencil that says class registration. The class registration page will look like this. At the top, it'll say Welcome to Rossford Junior High School class registration for 2021-22. And if you see right below that, I said specifically here on this page is where you will choose your electives for sixth grade. So if that pops up on your screen, you know that you're in the right place and that you'll be choosing the correct electives for next year. As you can see under requirements, these are the things you will have to take that all sixth graders do take upon entering the junior high. And that includes academic intervention, which is kind of like our period where students can get some extra help for things, work on group projects, maybe take tests if they miss them, or perhaps use it as a study hall if they have all of those other things done. You also take a Computers 1 course, a health course, language arts, math, science, and social studies. Those will automatically be built into your schedule since those are required for all sixth graders. Underneath that, you'll see what's called an electives box. The electives box is what we'll be concentrating on today and where you'll be making your choices in terms of things that interest you that you would like to take for your sixth grade year. You'll see that the things in our elective box will be very similar to some of the classes that you're already taking that we list as specials currently at the elementary building. So once you see that electives box, you're going to go to the end of that where there is a pencil and you're going to click on the pencil. That will bring up our list of electives, which looks just like this. As you can see, we have 6 electives that are on our list, including choir, art, band, introduction to theater, language and world cultures, and physical education. You are going to pick 3 of these electives, and you will pick them by clicking on the box below the red arrow. So for example, if you were interested in taking band, language and world cultures, and physical education, you would click inside the box in each of those elective choices. Once you have given your 3 choices, you will go ahead and click the OK box. That saves your choices to PowerSchool so that I will be able to look those up and schedule those for you. Now, we also need to look at the alternate electives box. That is this one right here underneath alternate elective choices, sixth grade. Again, you're going to go over here to the pencil and click on this box under alternate elective choices where the exact same list will pop up for you. As you can see, it is a blank and open list again. I need you to pick one other elective that you would possibly like if for some reason I can't get you into one of your other 3 electives. So this has to be different than the first 3 that you chose from. So going back to our example, if you chose band, language and world cultures, and physical education, when you get to this screen, You will choose from choir, art, or introduction to theater. Please make sure it's a different elective than the ones you picked in the last screen. When you finish this choice, again, you're going to click that OK button on the right-hand side, and that will also save your alternate elective choice for me in case I need to use it. After making all of your selections, your main scheduling screen will look just like this. So the requirements that we saw earlier will still be listed. The electives that you picked will also be listed, and your alternate elective will be listed too. If you look on the right-hand side where the pencil is, you'll see that you now have 3 green check marks. That means that each of the areas that needed to be filled in order for me to make your schedule have been completed. I can now go forward with making your schedule for your 6th grade year. Sometimes there is a submit button on this page. If one is there in the right-hand corner, please hit submit. If there's not one, it'll automatically save for me. I've seen student screens that have both submits and some not submits, so I want to make sure that we get those choices saved and that I don't have to come back and ask you again. So please make sure if you have a submit button to use it. If not, please know that those are automatically being saved and everything will be all right. And now you're all done. You've made your elective choices for next school year, so those along with the requirements will definitely be included in next year's schedule. However, you're not going to find out your schedule until August because that's what I'll be working on from now all the way through the summer until you come here to visit us for next year. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to your teacher, and I'd be happy to answer anything that I can. Have a great day, everyone, and thank you so much.